Let's do a quick tour of browsers to see if our new styles look good in the other browsers. So I'll go to Firefox and refresh. Okay, good. I'll go to Safari and refresh. All right, again, looks good. Now I'll jump over to Windows, and in Chrome, if we refresh, it looks good. And then let's try Internet Explorer here. And if we refresh, we're gonna see that our placeholders aren't here. Now, if we do a quick check, so this is Internet Explorer 9, and the reason why we're testing on 9 is because for most projects, Internet Explorer support starts really at 9. So let's do a quick can I use on the placeholder attribute to see if there's any problems with IE. So we'll search for can I use and then placeholder. And let's jump to the can I use page for placeholder here. And you can see that Internet Explorer only supports it starting at version 10. Also, Opera Mini, for whom there are actually a significant number of users, also doesn't support it. So it would be good to have a backup plan.